So, welcome to step 5, which is the right hand. So how's the right hand go? So the left hand was here. If the left hand's here, I want to start on this note. Here's C, right hand. Middle C is here. I'm touching at this C here. That's the first note, which is D sharp. Let's say D sharp. This is D sharp. So it is, just slide down. And from there, go to this flat note. So practice that. Step 5. That's all I want you to do. Step 5. Keep going. Use your second finger. Pause the video. This could take you maybe a few minutes to get it. Just know where it is. Just know that it's here. Okay. Step 6. I want to practice when you put your second finger on the G, open your hand, your little finger is going to be on the C. C, B, 5, 4. So, keep doing that. So all we're doing is we're adding C and B. And to finish that at the moment, we're going to do E and G as a complete phrase. We'll call this a phrase. So, C, B, and let's go to E and G. Your second finger was on G already. E, G. So you have these 4 notes added to this section 6. So to complete section 6, I want you to do practice that. Practice with me. Rewind. I'm going to do it one more time slowly. If you could do it with me, we can get to section 7. Remember, it's always 10 sections. We're nearly there. So, practice with me. See you soon.